how to fix your Canon Maxify GX6021 printer that is printing the blank pages. You will see if you are using your printer after a long time, sometimes it stops printing on the pages, like you don't see any ink or you may see some of the missing inks. First is to check the ink levels, make sure there is ink in the ink tanks. Next is to open the ink chamber. Once you lift that door, you will see the ink pipe inside. Just check if the ink is there in the ink pipes or not. If you don't see any ink in the ink pipes, then you have to do the ink flush and then do the normal cleaning. Now in case like this printer, if you already have ink in the ink pipes and if it's not printing, that means the nozzles are blocked. For that you have to do the cleaning. So I'll show you both things. Close the chamber. Go to the display panel. On the display panel, click on the setting icon. Select maintenance. Now if you don't have ink in the ink pipes, then you have to go to the option ink flush. Ink flush is here. It takes a lot of ink and you can select either color or black. If all the inks are missing, click on the all colors. Make sure you have enough ink in the ink tank before doing this. Once you do that, then you have to go to the main screen again and look for the option cleaning. You can do the cleaning if ink is there in the ink pipes, and you can also do it after the ink flush. So for cleaning, click on the cleaning option, click yes. Next is to print the nozzle check sheet. Load paper and click on the yes button. If you see all the inks are there, that means we have done it correctly. If you see all the inks are there, that means nozzles are unclogged and we are ready to use the printer for printing and copying. In case any of the ink is missing, you can again do the cleaning process. To finish the process or continue with the cleaning, go to the main screen. If everything is okay, click all A. If anything is missing, click also B. It will display nozzle is clogged, start cleaning. So if you click on the yes, again it will do the cleaning. Click on the yes. Here we can see the print results are okay. So we will just finish this process. To finish the process, select all A. That means nozzle is clear, it's not clogged anymore. So click OK and click on the home button. Now in case you don't see the desired results, you can just repeat this process until you get the proper result. Hopefully this will help you to fix your printer. Thanks for watching.